In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save for later on Walmart 2026. Saving an item for later on Walmart is a simple way to keep something on your radar without leaving it in your active cart. It's perfect when you're still comparing options, watching for a price drop, or planning a future purchase. I'll walk you through the exact flow from finding a product to tucking it safely into your saved for later section. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Walmart website. On the homepage, you'll see the search bar at the top and departments you can browse. Use either one to look around and find something you're interested in. You can type a product name into search or explore categories until an item catches your eye. When you find a product you like, click it to open the full product page. Take a moment here to review the details. Check the price, color, or size options, and delivery or pickup availability for your location. It's also a good idea to glance at the seller information, ratings, and return policy so you know exactly what you're saving. Once you're comfortable with the choice, click Add to Cart. You'll see a confirmation and a prompt to view your cart. Choose View Cart to go to your shopping cart page where you can manage everything you've added. On the cart page, locate the item you just added. Right below or near the item details, look for the Save for Later option. Click Save for Later and give it a second to process. The page will update and move that product out of your active cart into a Saved for Later section, usually shown lower on the same page. You'll see the item listed there, confirming it's been saved. From this point, you can keep shopping or proceed with the rest of your cart. Remember, saving an item for later doesn't reserve stock or lock in the price. Availability and pricing can change, especially if demand is high or the item is limited. If you shop using pickup or delivery, availability is tied to your selected store or zip code, so adjust your location if an item appears out of stock after saving it. You can repeat this process for as many items as you need, and when you're ready to buy, open your cart page, scroll to the Saved for Later section, and move any item back to the cart to check out. If the Save for Later link isn't obvious, make sure you're on the cart page, not the checkout screen. On some devices, it may be tucked under an item menu. That's all there is to it. Now you can keep your cart tidy while keeping favorite items just a click away.